This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan de queso. Start by preheating your oven and arranging a water bath. This keeps the custard smooth. Warm the cream cheese gently so it blends without lumps. Whisk eggs with condensed milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt until silky. Pour over warm caramel in a mold and bake gently until set but slightly jiggly. Chill before unmolding for the best texture. Gather your ingredients and prep them for an easy flow. Soften cream cheese at room temperature for a few minutes to avoid lumps when blending. Combine condensed milk, evaporated milk, eggs, and vanilla in a blender or whisk vigorously by hand. Taste a small bit of custard mix to adjust sweetness if needed. Have your caramel ready and pour it into the mold before adding the custard gently to avoid bubbles. Bake the flan at a moderate oven temperature in a bain-marie to avoid curdling. The center should still jiggle slightly when done. It firms as it cools. Cool the flan to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least a few hours or overnight for best slicing. To unmold, warm the outside of the mold briefly or run a knife around the edge, then invert onto a serving plate for a glossy caramel finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.